Hi folks, Sunday morning 30th of 11th, I'm in the car park of my local Lidl store, and as they used to say on the newspapers, hold the front page, or maybe they still do, because today they've launched their sale of Airfix kits and some Revell kits as well. So I'll just talk through that. I've just been inside and bought a few. So there, if you watch my Aldi video, they've got some very similar ones but also some different ones as well. So what I picked up today was the Tiger tank, the German Tiger tank from the Second World War, famous tank, and that's the rear of the box. I've got these on the car behind the rail because the wind's defeating me again. These are all in 1/72 scale, and they're £6.99. That's the same price as Aldi, but Aldi don't have the tanks, they just have the aircraft. Next I got up the Sherman Firefly. That was the famous American tank, and then the British put a 17-pounder gun in it to combat the Tiger, because they were really struggling against the Tiger tank, the standard Allied tanks. So the Sherman Firefly was an upgrade, and these are all what they call starter sets or gift sets. They all include the paint, the polished cement, a brush, so you can complete these with decals, of course, everything that's in the box. Okay, so that's the Firefly. Again, both of those weren't available in Aldi. Next one, which I haven't seen anybody else review, which is also available, is the Jeep, the Willys Jeep. Again, all at £6.99, starter set. One thing I noticed about these is that when you buy a regular, I've only bought one so far, but when you buy a regular Airfix model, it comes with this air miles type authorization, 1 point, which you can then join the Airfix club and cash them in later for model. These don't come with this, so I'm supposing that these are actually made to order for Lidl. Perhaps Audi ones were the same. And lastly, the classic submarine Spitfire, which again is available at Aldi. I didn't get one the other day, the Mark 1A Spitfire, as used as a Battle of Britain. So there's what I've purchased, but they also have the Messerschmitt. They didn't have the Zero, which is available at Aldi. So again, if you were trying to maximise the models you wanted, or the kits you wanted, a mixture of Aldi and Lidl would give you quite a selection. You know, you get the two tanks at Lidl which aren't available in Aldi, the Willys Jeep that's available in Lidl but not in Aldi, and in Aldi you get the Mitsubishi Zero, which is not available at Lidl. The other thing they're doing as well is they're also selling their quick build kits, Airfix quick build kits. They're at, I think, £8.99. Those are the sort of brick built, no paint, no glue required kits. And they've also got a range of Revell kits, quite big ones, the Maritime. They've got, for example, Titanic, which comes actually with two models of Titanics. They're at £19.99. And they also have some cars, some of the Bugatti and other cars like that from Revell at £19.99, big scale kits. So again, you can look all this up online at Lidl's website. I'm just concentrating on the Airfix kits. So do these represent good value? Well, I think they do at £6.99, because in the UK there's a big store called Hobbycraft. They've got a Black Friday sort of Christmas deal on at the moment with 3 for 2, but they're at £12 each. So at 3 for 2 it would still work out at £8 a kit, and these are £6.99. So get yourself down to Lidl. They had quite a number in this store I've just been in, but you know, not massive amounts of numbers. So I think it's one of these things, it's the middle of the aisle, so once they go situation. Obviously being Christmas is coming up, I would think at this sort of price they'll be quite popular. So a nice sunny day today, quite crisp, but a nice day to be out. So I just thought I'd bring you that straight away in case you want to rush down to your classic local Lidl, or Aldi for that matter if you've watched my other video, and pick yourself up some Airfix kits or Revel kits. Different price points, as I say, £6.99, pretty good value really for these kits, considering you get everything in that, you know, the paints and the glue and the brush, etc. Alright folks, that's all for now, and I'll be back on some more videos soon. So in the interim, take care out there.